Use makeup remover to get rid of dirt, grease, or makeup on face. Use cleanser to clean face. Apply toner. Apply the cotton wet with blackhead removing liquid to the area where there are blackheads and whiteheads. Cover eye area and apply hot steam 10 minutes. The hot steam works to expand pores so as to help cleanse pores and promote nutrient absorption. Turn off the hot steam. Hydra facial cleans pores and skin. Hydra facial can suction blackheads and whiteheads and relieve acne to leave skin smooth and clean. Set parameters. Time 5 to 8 minutes is recommended. Suction adjusted based on individual endurance. The amount of water, 50% of the maximum amount is recommended. Treatment should not be performed on U-zone, on face, or sensitive skin. Move the handpiece in spiral curve on 3 spots, and then in a 9 to connect them. Repeat the technique on the whole face and then cleanse nose. Clean face. Oxygenation sprayer, contract pores, and hydrate deep layer of skin. The sprayer can inject atomized oxygen to basal layer of skin, providing the moisture and nutrients the skin needs. Set parameters. Time 5 to 8 minutes. Cover eyes and nose during treatment. Direct the sprayer at face from a distance of 10 to 15 centimeters. Scrubber, clean pores again. Set parameters, 5 minutes working time and constant working mode are recommended respectively. High-frequency vibration is used to reduce blackheads, whiteheads, and acne into small particles and then remove them. One press is to cleanse pores, let the convex side of the scrubber face outwards and use wet tissue during treatment. Do not wipe face dry after using the sprayer. Move the scrubber on jaw, cheek, and forehead. Clean face. Apply gel to face. Cold hammer, contract pores, soothe and repair skin. Set parameters 3 to 7 NS level, 5 to 8 minutes of working time, and mode A are recommended respectively. And then move the handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead. Based on the dermal expansion and contraction, it can contract pores, soothe and repair skin, and smooth out wrinkles. Ultrasound, stimulate cell regrowth and help with nutrient introduction. Set parameters 3 to 7 NS level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time, and mode A are recommended respectively. Apply essence to face and then move the handpiece from jaw to cheek. Move the handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead in circular motion. Use one hand as the handpiece to lift the front jaw towards cheek alternately. Clean face. Bio, firm and tighten skin and promote cellular penetrability and metabolism. Set parameters: 3 to 7 edit level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time, and mode A are recommended respectively. Apply gel to face and then move the handpiece from jaw towards cheek. Move the handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead in circular motion. Clean face. Apply face mask, wait for 15 minutes. Remove face mask. Clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, face cream, and sun cream.